Okay, so we are right on the edge of a technological leap that is going to completely redefine what it means to be human. It's called a brain-computer interface, or BCI, and believe me, this isn't science fiction anymore. Today, we're diving into what's being called the Great Merger, that exact moment where humanity starts to literally merge with its own creations. Just picture this for a second. Your thoughts, your pure intentions, directly controlling the physical world around you. And this is not a metaphor, right? This is the reality that's unfolding with BCI tech. That gap between what you want to do and what you can do, well, it's about to completely disappear.
So the big question is, how on earth is this even possible? How does a simple, fleeting thought become a powerful, real-world command? Let's get into the absolutely incredible science making it all happen.
And you need to understand, as of right now, in 2025, this tech is not locked away in some lab anymore. No, it's being integrated directly into the human body. The theoretical has officially become very, very real. And the results, the human impact, it is just staggering. We're seeing patients with ALS, people who've been silenced for years, now speaking again through synthetic voices that are controlled entirely by their minds. We have veterans told they would never walk again, who are now standing up and moving, powering exoskeletons with nothing but the power of their thoughts. This is exactly what it looks like to turn pure intention into physical action. And you know, this isn't some niche experiment. We're talking about giants like Neuralink alongside pioneers like Synchron and BlackRock Neurotech, and they are leading a charge that is moving at lightning speed. These aren't just prototypes anymore. These devices are being implanted in hundreds of people, and pretty soon, that's going to be thousands. The race is definitely on. But how do you actually decode the brain? I mean, how do you listen to that chaotic electrical storm that's happening inside our skulls and pull out a single clear command? That's what we're going to dive into right now. So the whole process is honestly a marvel of modern science. First, you've got the BCI implant, and its job is to capture the raw electrical signals, the neurons firing in your brain. Then a seriously powerful AI gets to work, sifting through what's been called that chaotic storm of data, learning in real time to figure out what you're trying to do. And finally, that decoded thought gets translated into a command, an action in the real world. And let's be clear, this is not something your home computer can handle. Not even close. We're talking about the insane processing power of quantum computers and advanced AI working together. They are the only engines powerful enough to even begin to understand the incredible complexity of the human brain and translate its language. You see, restoring abilities that were lost, that's just the start. It's an incredible start, but it's just the beginning. The real mind-bending potential of BCI tech goes way beyond that, into the realm of augmenting humanity itself. And this is where the future gets really, really interesting. This quote just says it all, doesn't it? That line we've always drawn between what's human and what's a machine, it's not just getting a little blurry. It is completely vanishing. So what does a future like that even look like? Well, in a world without that boundary, human augmentation becomes the next frontier. I mean, imagine having a perfect, totally searchable memory. Or what if you could download a new skill, learn a language, a martial art, instantly? Yeah, just like in The Matrix. That's the future we're actually talking about here. And it's one that could change the very fabric of society. So this really isn't just about becoming better or faster versions of ourselves. It's about the potential to become something else entirely. And that brings us to this final, really profound idea, what's being called the Great Merger, the moment we truly begin to fuse with the technology we've created. Think about it. For all of human history, our entire story has been about building tools to help us survive and shape the world. But now, for the very first time, we're not just using our tools, we are becoming our tools. This is a fundamental shift in our existence. It's a complete rewrite of the rules. The line between the creator and the creation, it's just gone. Our biology is literally becoming intertwined with our ingenuity.
But here's the thing. This transformation, it's a one-way street. This isn't some app you can just uninstall or a gadget you can power down. As the source material warns us, once this merger is complete, there is no going back. So we're left with this huge, kind of unsettling question. Are we actually witnessing the end of the chapter of being merely human? Are we evolving into something more? And if we are, what in the world will we become?
That right there is the question that is going to define our entire future.